In DeskuBots and Desku Helpdesk, segments are used for marking, tagging, or classifying the conversation. To create segments in DeskuBots, go to Settings, Segments, Add Segment. Let's name it. To assign this segment to bot conversation, add segment node in the recipe. The segment will be assigned only when the bot reaches that particular point during the conversation. Let's run the bot. To see the applied segment, go to Users Page. Open the chat conversation. Here it is. We can add or remove segments manually from here as well.